We help CEOs of commercial and residential cleaning companies who have 3 or more employees and desire freedom of choice, which will then enable them to focus on what they love. This could be starting a family, being able to take part in life's precious moments while growing and scaling their businesses. Going from hiring staff, training staff, pre-screening candidates weekly, creating content for marketing, conducting several estimates weekly, and running all the day-to-day operations, to creating a work structure that provides freedom of choice so that they can have more flexibility to do more of what they desire, such as building a family or starting a new business venture. If that sounds like you and you are the owner of a commercial or residential cleaning company and want to learn more about our step-by-step cleaning guide, give us a call today or visit our website and schedule a pre-screening call.